Hey, I'm Mike, and I'm going to show you how to change your cabin air filters on an 85G.
You can purchase your cabin air filters at FortisHD.com. When changing your cabin air filters, you'll need a John Deere FYA 000-11003 cabin air filter, or an aftermarket equivalent. If you're doing this service yourself, make it easy and purchase one of our service kits that will have every filter you need. FortisHD.com. Special thanks to TekamoHD for providing the mechanical expertise seen in this video. If you need to book a mechanic, reach out at TekamoHD.com.
Here's located here on the left side of the seat. Just pull your floor mat up. I just kind of tuck it under one of the foot pedals just to get it out of the way. And then you undo these little thumb screws. These ones you can see visually through the grating here, but if you do find your air conditioning or heating or airflow seems low inside the cab there, you're not getting as much airflow as you used to, it's a good place to check first. Just remove your cover plate. And you just got these two little thumb tabs. You just pinch them. Scoop out any of the sand and debris and stuff that's in there. New air filter. Can't mess these ones up just because of the way the clips are on these, but these filters, they have the direction of flow that air travels through these. So if these don't have like a frame on them, take a peek. Clean your plate off. Just reinstall your thumb screws. Reinstall your floor mat. That's changing your cabin air filter on an 85G.
If you don't have time to do the service yourself, or you want to get on a preventative maintenance program, reach out to TekamoHD.com and they can set you up with a heavy-duty mechanic in your area.